What's that? What is it?
What's that? What's that? Is that the... What is it?
TV.
Okay,
Okay, go to the TV. Get another egg.
do you see it?
Yeah.
Go get it.
TV. TV. TV.
TV. Where's your next egg gonna be? What's that?
TV.
No.
What is it?
TV.
No.
No, what's the picture of?
Here. Hold it this way.
Duck.
What is that?
Food.
What does that look like?
Door.
Door? Door to what?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Okay, go. Go to the refrigerator. Get your next clue. Hurry, hurry.
Refrigerator.
Where is it?
Right there.
Okay, what does it say now?
That next time.
What's that?
Bed.
No, here, turn it. Look, what is that? What's that a picture of?
Cow.
It is a couch. Okay, let's go to the couch and get your next egg. Look,
Cow.
well, where's the egg? Which couch is, Ryan, look, which couch is the egg on?
The book.
Oh, yeah? Is this going to tell you where your Easter basket is?